Budapest.
We've arrived in Budapest. It is our first night in Hungary. Welcome to the hotel.
Welcome. This is a pretty big place. Nice little kitchen. We have the bathroom. And then our bedroom.
Yes, ma'am. Magic man.
Skål, Ida. Cheers! This is really beautiful. Cheers, nice people. Ah! Oh my God!
First morning in Hungary.
It's just espresso with a little milk.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Shakshuka. We are going there. Up the hill we go. On the way to never a truer statement. Yay!
So Lancelot.
The king head of the table.
From the fortress of Sir Lancelot.
Ooh.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, happy birthday.
Thank you.
As we try the unicum. Yes.
Thank you. We are using with our fingers, right?
Chicken wings, pork rib, and the spicy.
Oh my God.
Enjoy.
With the hands.
That is crazy. So manly.
It's really funny.
You guys look. amazing.
I'm hungry. I can hold this back.
So this is Polyenka. Happy birthday, David.
Delete your memory.
I just love the goose with your wife.
What?
What? Again.
No.
Again.
You and your dad. No. Knight, your last trial. An arm wrestling against him.
What? An arm wrestling against him? Oh, absolutely.
I'll say it.
No.
From this day on,
I will be a knight.
I'll be a knight.
Sir Dylan the Brave.
Sir Dylan the Brave.
Welcome to the Run Table.
Now you are a knight. We can fight.
Must move all of the Polenka.
Sir Dylan, are you ready? Yeah. If you lose, you will die. Okay.
I'll take a shot for it.
And go! Sir Dylan.
Come on, Dylan. Come on. Come on, baby. You can do it. Oh! Oh, come on. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Sir Dylan, it was great. Thanks for your help. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
He will die.
Well, you are a loser.
That's all around. Trial. Can you see him? He's a beast.
Yes, he is.
By the way, my right hand is tired. I am fencing all day.
I don't care. I'm going to kill you.
You can try.
Oh, no.
No.
Don't care, I just said.
And now?
You have two swords.
And now Polenka shot.
Polenka.
Now I have two Polenka shots.
I apologize.
Two Palinka shots.
Two Polenka shots.
It's a dead tomato.
Okay, skull. Skull.
Frozen drop.
Who brought the Polenka?
You can.
Is he okay? He's not okay.
Just remember, Sir Lancelot is coming.
Thriving.
Oh, the actress Sarah. Monica.
Your favorite person of the whole trip.
You can drink and drive.
Tonight you're walking home.
Okay, skull.
It's built on the hostel, I think.
A shot.
Magic hands.
You need a Polenka shot.
You're not good shots.
Dylan, that's so naughty.
Is it also
David.
It's built in the hostel.
Oh my. Okay, we will leave you here. Goodbye.
Birthday is Cassie. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
How much?
How old are you?
How much?
Skål. Skål.
Skål.
Skål. It's nice that we all got something so different. We're trying to get into McDonald's discotheque. There is a line.
I've never stand in a line to McDonald's. I'm doing the nugget dance tonight. It's not fast food anymore.
Nope. Eva, do you need a chicken nugget? Happy Meal?
Puree.
Oh, nice.
I love warm apple puree.
You thought you were gonna get a Crocs keychain and you got Pokemon
there was
cards.
a big sign of a Crocs key hanger, and now I got Pokemon cards.
It was a crime.
Yeah.
Looks incredible.
It's kind of cute, just like that.